Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. In this video we're going to be using a free website called Canva, so type in your search bar Canva and push on canva.com and make an account. Once you make an account, you're going to want to go to the search bar on Canva and search up YouTube thumbnail and push on the first thing that comes up on the search. Once you search it, push on it and push blank YouTube thumbnail. Once you have done that, it'll lead you to this blank document where you can make your YouTube thumbnail. Let's make our thumbnail. So, let's change the background color of our thumbnail. So, let's change it to purple. And let's go to Elements and find a YouTube logo that we can use for our thumbnail. So, you can just search it in the bar, anything, and it'll pop up, and just drag it to the side of the screen and place it on your YouTube thumbnail template and just position it how you want it. And this is your text. You can text anything you want, like I'm gonna text YouTube thumbnail. So I'm making a thumbnail on how to make a YouTube thumbnail for this video. So you can just position it, change the color. To make the text larger, we're just going to drag the side of the text and maybe position it a little bit more. Let's also position the YouTube logo a little bit better. So, okay. And add another text by just pushing add a heading. And let's do how to make. And let's color it white by pressing the A on the top. And make it a little bit wider and bigger. Let's change the font by pushing the font place and let's position it. Once you're done, you're just going to want to push download on the right side of your screen. Once it has downloaded, you're just going to want to go to YouTube Studio. When you're on YouTube Studio, you're going to want to go to Content. Then you're going to want to pick a video that you want to put the thumbnail on and push Edit. Then you'll see a thumbnail bar on the bottom, and you can either change or download the thumbnail. And that's all to make a YouTube thumbnail. Good luck on getting a lot of views on your YouTube channel. If you like this video, subscribe and like.